Hey everybody, welcome to the Mac Life Show. I'm Flo, and on today's show we're going to pit the MagicCube against the Logitech solar-powered keyboard. Cue the music! So the MagicCube is actually three peripherals rolled into one. It's a handwriting recognition device, a mouse, and a keyboard. And we're going to see today how it fares against a full-size desktop keyboard. Now we're going to use a free typing application to see how fast I can type with it, and then I'm going to compare that with the results against the Logitech keyboard. So let's find out how this works. And today we're going to have to use a white piece of paper because the MagicCube doesn't work very well on a steel surface. So keep that in mind if you have a very bachelor pad of an office and you plan on using this. So let's try this thing. So now, as you can see here, we have our trusty Logitech solar-powered keyboard, which was just updated to include the command key for Mac users. So Mac users, if you've been coveting this keyboard for some time, I think now's the time to get it. Let's see how it works against the MagicCube. My hypothesis is that it will be a lot better than the MagicCube and a much nicer typing experience. So as predicted, I typed a lot better on the Logitech solar-powered keyboard than I did on the MagicCube, and that's probably because I'm so used to the physical feel of the keys underneath my fingers. Now, if you're used to typing on a multi-touch surface such as the iPad, you might find that the MagicCube will be a good in-between for you and your laptop to get that sort of feel and to have the portability of a 3-in-1 product. But if you really need the physical feel of the keys underneath you, I'd suggest just going with a smaller little Bluetooth keyboard. So the MagicKeyboard is actually three peripherals in one. It's got a laser keyboard, does touchpad things, and also it saves children from burning bridges.